Hi folks, I'm with Jim Murphy from Muscle Car Appraisal.
Hello everyone. Quite a few of my friends and customers have asked me what would be my top 10 cars to drive and would also show appreciation over time. So I made this video for a list of my top 10 cars that offer both a great driving experience and the potential for appreciation over time. Now, this is not financial advice. You should always seek financial advice from a professional, but based on my observations of market trends, popularity at car shows and auctions, I've been able to come up with this list of top 10 cars that, again, not only offer a great driving experience, but will also have a good potential of appreciation in the next few years. Hope you enjoy the video. First up, we have a 1970 Chevelle LS6, 454 cubic inches, 450 horsepower, available as both an automatic or a 4-speed. They're a great driving car, offer a full perimeter frame. They're fast, great looks, comfort, attract a lot of attention at car shows, and are very popular at the auctions. I've watched these cars appreciate over the last couple of years from the $125,000 range for a properly documented and restored vehicle to now reaching the $140,000 range, and I believe they'll continue to appreciate over time. Again, a fun and great driving car. Next up is a 1969 Trans Am. Another great driving car, nicely appointed, good horsepower, handling, braking. Another car that's appreciated over time from the $100,000 mark to $125,000 and climbing. Another note is that the 1970 Trans Am is also quickly rising in popularity, gaining a lot of attention at auctions, and they are also a very, very good driving car, offering excellent handling and braking and comfort. Just a couple of great driving Trans Ams. Next up is a 69 Yenko Camaro. Very popular, very desirable. A couple of ZL1 Camaros recently sold as a pair for over $1 million at auction. Quite unobtainable for most of us, which then brings you back to a Yenko car. Very popular, desirable, great driving car, very fast. And I believe they'll continue to maintain, if not gain in popularity and attention, and also appreciate in value. Boss 429 Mustangs. Horsepower, cubic inches, a nicely restored car is bringing the money, and with the right options and color combinations, some of these cars are getting pretty extreme in price. Very popular with the Ford crew. Hemi Cuda. Really can't go wrong with any Hemi car, but the Cudas are incredibly popular, especially a 4-speed car with some options here or there. The driving experience is quite unique for a Hemi car. Lots of horsepower, lots of responsiveness, good handling car, great looks, very popular amongst the Mopar crew. And again, with the right color and option combination, you're going to see these cars continue to appreciate. 69.5 Roadrunner, 446 pack. A lot of people had these cars in high school or had them as a dream car in high school and further as they were growing up, and now have the opportunity to buy one. Cheaper than a Hemi car, but also a very popular car, not only in the looks department, but in comfort for the interior, and a great driving car. A Mustang 428 Super Cobra Jet car. It's not on the level of a Boss, but a great performer just as well. And much more affordable and attainable. Popular with the Mustang crowd. Great looks, again, comfort, driving. Don't think you can go wrong with one of these cars. They're going to, in my opinion, continue to appreciate in value and desirability. They always bring a lot of attention at auction and car shows. Again, getting to options. If you have a Marty report that nails things down, there's a lot of these cars running around that are true one-of-one cars, which makes them all the more desirable. Buick GSX Stage 1 car. Monster torque. Performs incredibly well. Big war with some Hemi cars. Lots of debate back and forth as to which car was actually faster. Everybody's pointing fingers at the other guy, saying the car was tuned or modified. But there's quite a few Buicks, bone stock, but properly tuned, that can come out ahead of a Hemi car. Another full perimeter frame car like the Chevelle LS6. Great comfort in driving, in handling. Put a 4-speed behind one of these 455 cubic inch monsters and you got an incredible street driving car. Olds 442 W30, starting to climb in a league of its own. Unbelievable driving car. It can be docile, but mash the pedal and hang on. The W30 cars with their signature red inner fender wells are very noticeable. One of the most popular hoods of the early 70s. Gaining a lot of interest and a lot of appreciation, not only in private sales but at the auctions as well. See these cars continue to move forward in the future. 68 to 70 Nova, specifically an L78 car. 396, 375 horse. The Novas are gaining in popularity. Lightweight, lots of horsepower. They drive pretty well. And they can be quite the street sleeper as well. Good looks. With the horsepower and the lightweight, they can be quite fun to drive. Should I wave the dispatch? This is not financial advice.
Okay, yeah, you can have fun. Muscle Car Appraisal thanks you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our video and hit the bell notification. And once again, we thank you for looking at our video. Have a great day.